Hello everyone, this is Cynthia. Today I'm gonna cook the steamed eggplant. The first step, we have to skim the eggplant. I prefer this kind of eggplant because the taste is the best. And it's easier to buy. You can find it in every supermarket. The second step is cut in the small pieces. Cut each eggplant into 3 or 4. Actually, I made this video for my neighbor. They really like the Chinese food which I made last week. And they want to learn how to cook Chinese food. Now we put the eggplant into the steamer and take around 15 or 20 minutes. And now we can prepare the sauce. We use a sweet pepper. I prefer red peppers because it makes the dish more colorful. If you have other colors pepper in your home, you don't need to buy it because it doesn't change the taste. Remove the seeds and dice it. Cut slowly and be careful your finger. Put them in a bowl. We need some garlic. Peel the garlic and chop it. If you have the chopper, you can use it. But I'm lazy to wash the chopper, so I prefer cut by knife. Because it's not too much, not a big deal for me. Put the garlic in the bowl and on top of the peppers. Add 1 spoon chili flakes. It depends how spicy you prefer. So you can adjust it according to your preferences. Put some oil in a small pot. When you see there is the smoke, so it means the oil is hot enough. Pour the hot oil on top of the chili. The sauce almost done. Now we only need to put some seasoning. Add 4 spoons light soy sauce. Then add 4 spoons balsamic vinegar, 1 spoon sugar, and mix well. Now the sauce is done. The sauce is really easy to cook and tastes good. Now let me see if the eggplant is well done. You can check with the chopsticks. If it goes through easily, it means it cooked well. Turn off the oven and take it out. Remove the water. Add the pepper sauce on top of the eggplant. And it's done. So easy, right? And the taste is really good. Trust me, you will love that. Thank you for watching. I'm Cynthia. See you next time.